Morning, Sylvester! Ito na po pala ang ginawa namin kahapon na greenhouse. Mag-continue lang po kami ngayon ni Dave para makasimula na po kami pananim. What do you think, Sylvester, this one?
It's perfect for my garden.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yung mga manok ay nandito. Akala nila para sa kanila din yung bahay na ginawa namin. Pero this is for our garden, Chuk-Chuk. Bago po kami magsimula, maglagay ng mga garden bed, ito po yung mga grass. You see this grass? Kailangan po muna to i-remove. Baka kasi mamaya, lalaki pa talaga ito. Magiging bush na po itong aming taniman. Another day, it's another work. Today is Saturday, kaya si Sylvester is with us. And definitely, he's having fun with chooks. Very good, Sylvester. Normally, pag Saturday, ito po talaga ang ginagawa ni Sylvester. Tumutulong po siya sa amin. Ang maganda po talaga kan Sylvester na ipagmamalaki ko po ay hindi ko po siya sinanay sa gadget, television. Maganda na rin po dahil nakikita niya po talaga kung anong ginagawa namin normally everyday and hopefully may matutunan po si Sylvester sa amin. Chuchu! Sis, kiss me, Chuk-Chuk! Is it a little bit heavy for you? Ngayon ay i-measure ko po muna ang pinto dahil gagawa na po ako. Kailangan po talaga itong gawa ng pinto. Kaya i-make sure ko po ang size na saktong-sakto ang pagkagawa. Yes. You wanna try?
Yeah.
Have to hold that one. Yay!
Yay!
Hindi pa po ito tapos, pero ito po yung ginawa ko pong door. Ito na po ang magiging shape niya. Yung kahoy pala na pinutol ko, pinasok ko po siya dito. Medyo slight different lang po ito na pinto kumpara itong ginawa ko pong pinto sa manukan. Dahil mas maliit po doon ang pinto, kaya medyo small po ito. Hindi pa po ito tapos. Kailangan ko pa po lagyan ng mga kahoy. Pinakita ko lang po sa inyo kung ano na po ang shape niya. And yes, I think magandang door po ito. Hopefully po, tama po ang size ng pagka-measure ko po kanina. All the way up the top. Good job. Very interested fixing things. Have to make sure there's a staple. Then it will hold.
Go off when you push it.
That's right. The way up here. Good job. That's very good, Sylvester. Di ba mas maganda talaga ang bata na ganito? Kumpara po yung mga bata ngayon lately, super addict na po sa internet. Mas maganda, bawas-bawasan ang ganyan. And then, ipa-experience yung mga bata sa real life. Kahit ganito po.
Fiesta with me.
Hmm?
You are very fiesta with me.
Yep. Ito po yung pinutol ko po kanina dahil ilalagay ko po dito. Hopefully, tama yung size. Alright. Just have to... Yes. Put this one in the middle. Guys, finally, natapos na. Grabe, maybe more than 1 hour bago ko po ito natapos. Ito po ang maging likod niya. And pataas ko lang po ito. Yan. This is more light. And yes, hopefully, kasya po para po sa aming greenhouse. And dinala na po ni David. Thank you. Hopefully, okay lang po. Yes. Oh! It's good. Mabubukas lang po siya. Try to open it, honey. Mabubukas lang po siya. Kailangan lang po natin ilagay yung hinger. And then, yes, finally, may pinto na po kami sa aming greenhouse. And finally, i-install ko lang po itong pinto na ginawa ko. Family team po talaga kami ngayon. At si Sylvester, napaka-curious po sa mga ginagawa ko. Just wait. Okay, go. What? Did it? Oh, done. Dito lang to ilalagay para may pang-lock. Hindi makapasok yung mga manok. Baka may mga tanim na kami dito, kakainin lang ng mga manok. And then that one. There we go. See? Good job. All right. Open and shut. Come in, Sylvester. And come out. I'm gonna lock you now. Yeah. All good, guys. Ang next po namin gagawin ay i-assemble na po namin ng aming mga garden. Wow, grabe po itong project namin. Kailangan mo talaga pagpaguran. Look at this little man. Ang daming ideas to entertaining himself. Upsie! Guys, ito po yung aming garden bed. Mas marami pa ito. Nandun po yung iba sa shed. Ito po yung old garden bed namin. Kung naalala nyo po, nung nagrenta po kami ng bahay, may natago po kami isa. Yung the rest ay binigay po namin sa aming kapitbahay. May mga bago po dito. Actually, bago to siya na never po namin nagamit before. And ito, lalabas na po natin. Kailangan lang po namin to i-assemble. Ganda po itong mga garden bed. Ito yung recently lang po namin to binili sa Bunnings. How much this one? The one we bought from Bunnings? $28. Ibang kulay to for $28 at ibang size din po siya. Magagamit lahat po ito sa aming greenhouse at kung hindi doon magkasya, gagawa po kami ulit ng taniman. Yeah. Just bring that here, Han. Thank you. Para mas malapit po sa garden bed. Just over here, honey. I will assemble that one. Yeah. Something strap. All of it. Dito po tayo mag-assemble. Mas malapit po sa greenhouse. Napakadali lang po itong i-assemble. Kasi nagawa ko na to before nung nagtanim kami last time. Okay. So that's how it works. I-assemble po muna namin lahat ng aming garden bed bago po maipasok sa greenhouse. So medyo po talaga slow to put them together ang mga parts dahil marami pong screw ang garden bed. Pero okay lang po dahil nagtutulungan naman kami ni Deb so mapadali lang po ang aming gagawin. Are you guys gonna help me? Don't worry. Once I have the garden, you can have a fresh green leaf. As you notice, the chalk is out again because Sylvester let them out. Normally, pinapalabas po talaga namin ang mga manok every afternoon para makapag-roaming around po sila sa aming property. But obviously, mas gusto po nila na malapit sila sa amin para disturbohin kami. Parang mga bata. But yes guys, we love our chicken. Parang family na din po talaga ang turing namin sa kanila. And I told today, para mas mapadali ang ating pag-assemble ng ating mga garden bed, tag-iisa tayo pag-assemble. So ito po ako, nag-assemble po ako. And si Dave, he's having trouble. To put them together. Kaya Mariel to the rescue. Itong garden bed na nabili po namin, gustong-gusto ko po ang kulay. Madaling mo makita. And it looks very neat for me. I really love the color. And tapos na po ako dito. Kaya ito po ang pangatlo ko po. We are really hoping na marami po kaming ma-assemble at the end of the day para malagay po agad sa aming greenhouse. Super excited lang po talaga ako. Habang busy po kami, sobrang busy din po talaga si Sylvester. Grabe pag may mga project po talaga kayo na ganito. Grabe po talaga ang determination mo at motivation. Ako po kasi yung tao, pag may ginagawa po ako, gustong-gusto ko po talaga tuloy-tuloy hanggang matapos po ang ginawa namin. Are you putting them in the ladder? There we go, they're flying. They don't want to be there, Sylvester. It's getting late, around 4 PM na po, kaya bukas naman po kami ulit mag-continue. And finally, bukas makapagtanim na po kami dahil itong mga garden bed po namin ay inasimbol na po namin. Dave is still working. Napakadami po kaming garden bed, at least more than 10 po. And then at the moment, 5 pa po ang na-assemble namin. Kaya bukas ay mag-continue po kami. Marami pa po dito kailangan i-assemble. Good morning guys! Ito na lahat. Na-assemble na po namin lahat ng aming garden bed kaninang umaga. Tinrabaho po namin ni Dave para mas madali. And then we make sure it's all tight. Maganda na po siya. Hindi siya masyadong nagmumo. At sa wakas, malalagay na po namin lahat ng aming garden bed sa greenhouse. Hindi ko po alam kung ilan ang magkasya. And guys, if you notice, baka mabash po tayo paulit-ulit ang damit ni Mariel. Uniform ko pa ito. Tipid po para hindi laba ng laba. And the chalk is out again. Definitely, they love to be out. And Sylvester at school. Pasok po tayo sa greenhouse. Excuse me, Chok-Chok. Excuse me. Ipasok na po namin sa greenhouse ang garden bed. Oops. Alright. We will put her first. Kailangan talaga may gap every garden bed for 2 para easy and mag-harvest. Or, mas maganda ba pag ganito siya? Pag ganito siya, mas maganda ata. Meron pa ditong extra space na pwede pa natin malagyan ng garden bed since I still have 4. 6 lang po kasi ang gantong kulay. Kaya siguro I'm going to grab this one. Lagay ko po yan dito. Lalagay po natin in the middle para ibang kulay. And ito na po yung final ng aking paglagay ng garden bed. Hindi na po ako dito maglalagay dahil gusto ko mas more open po dito. Pag later on, makapag-harvest na po kami kung anong gusto po naming itanim. And ito po ang nalagay ko pong garden bed sa aming greenhouse. Pwede po dito maglagay ng another one. Pero mas gusto ko po kasi mas more room po dito. And I think yung 7 garden bed, okay na siya, sapat na. And now, mag-add na po tayo ng soil. Pero before po kami maglagay ng soil dito po sa garden bed, maglalagay po muna kami ng mga kahoy, po mga dahon. In that way, makatipid po kami ng soil. At yung mga nilagay po naming kahoy, mga dahon, magiging compost lang din po siya later on. And yes, malaking tipid po yun na soil kasi sobrang mahal ng soil dito sa Australia. Bago po namin i-add yung mga kahoy, mga dahon-dahon, maglagay po muna kami ng carton in the bottom para ito po ang maging layer niya. And then bago po namin i-add yung kahoy. Oh, that's good. Tara, ito po yung mga kahoy at dahon na ilalagay po natin sa garden bed. Yung soil ay mamaya na po natin yan ilalagay. Nandito po yung mga kahoy. Chuchu! Marami po ditong dahon. Yan, mga kahoy. Kailangan pa yan namin i-cut later on. May mga na-cut na po kami dito. At ito po. Ito, magagamit po natin bago po kami mag-add ng soil. Marami po kami dito, mga pinutol na po ito, mga 7 weeks ago. Tapos na po, ayan, nalagyan na po lahat ng mga kahoy, mga dahon. Ang garden bed po namin, ayan lang po siya. One more. Oh, Sylvester's back after school. Look, Sylvester, we have to do this. You wanna try? Yep. Kailangan lang po namin ito i-balance yung soil. Nalagay na po lahat ng soil bawat garden bed. Kaya, kailangan na lang namin basain ito. And then, ready na po kami makapagtanim. Yes, darling?
I'll just have it deal with this guy.
Yep.
But this one needs to go. Yeah, I'm done. I'm going to the next one.
This one, darling.
I'm going to the
Thank you. After school, diretso sa backyard.
Yeah, the shovel.
Is it? Okay. I thought it's a little bit heavy for you.
No, it's not heavy for me. I'm getting bigger, so I can. But it's not heavy. I can hold it properly.
All right. You must be strong.
Here.
Time to water the soil para ready na po magtanim. Good job, Sylvester. You gotta make sure everything is wet. See, in the middle, you didn't make it wet. This one, darling, over here. Good job. Over there, darling. They're in the middle. Here's all our vegetable, guys. Sylvester. Here's all our plants. It's coming.
I'm done, mate.
Are you done? Ito po yung binili namin kahapon. Bumili po kami ng lettuce, sibuyas, silver beet. Marami po iba't ibang klase. And also, marami po kaming binili ng mga herbs because they are very good companions sa ibang vegetable to get rid of it, mga insect. May dalang box! What do you got there?
These ones, and I have vegetables as well.
Yeah, more strawberry.
And pak choy.
Huh? Pak choy. Okay, Sylvester, Daddy gonna show you how to plant your strawberry.
Can I get the tree?
Yep.
The black soil.
Yeah. Dad's gonna show you how to plant the strawberry.
I'm gonna.
Let's see how much space between each.
How much space? Let Daddy read it, Sylvester.
How much?
So, you know what to do, okay?
Plant 30 centimeters apart.
30 centimeters apart, Sylvester.
That's about from there to there. That's about 30 centimeters.
All right. Put your other strawberry here, Sylvester. Take the tag out. That's all right. Be careful. Take your time. All right. Then you can put that there.
Keep it out.
Okay, just wait. You gotta wait to Dad. Look to Daddy.
You have to push like that.
Push from the bottom.
Yeah, let me try.
Just wait.
Yeah.
There we go. Yay! What a big smile.
Okay, you got to make a nice big hole.
Nice. Make a big hole, darling.
A nice big hole.
This is nice. It does fit.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yay!
Watch out for the
You
weeds.
got lots of strawberry there now, huh? Watch out for the leaf. Don't cover the leaf, darling. They
Wait,
don't like to be covered.
There we go.
Only the roots need to be covered.
Just
All
the
right.
roots, and then we push.
Push, Sylvester.
Like that.
Push.
Push.
Yeah, that's good.
Go. Here you go. Dad's gonna plant another one.
I think this one can be more in here with the flowers.
It's all yours. And there's one more here, Sylvester.
I'll get one out. One.
Whoa! Look at that.
Big.
Make it big.
Make it a bit deeper, darling.
Like this.
Oops, that's not deep yet.
I do not.
Okay, that one. Go. Now, you can push the roots. That one, push it. Good job. And there we go. All done, little man.
Can I wash that one?
Yeah.
You wash the leaves.
Wash the leaf.
Do more here.
Do you have more strawberry there, Sylvester? Okay.
Okay, wash the leaves. We'll water them in.
You got more strawberry there?
I got one there.
Yeah, okay. You got lots of strawberry. What is it?
Strawberry.
Ito yung klaseng strawberry ni Sylvester.
Yeah, I got it.
Very good.
Daddy, I got it. This one has a lot more roots than the others. That's deep enough.
Okay.
Too deep.
Like that. Maybe put a bit more.
There's the tag. Sylvester, the tag.
There we go.
You can put that the tag in the front. Here, that's yours.
Thank you.
I'm
And
not water the hole because it's quite dry.
yeah, you got another one here.
Is the most of it?
I gotta look. No, I don't think so. That's all the strawberry. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got 6 strawberry plants.
Got it again.
So you got 6 strawberry there. You might need another 3 para tag 3 yung line nila.
Oh, it's nearly white.
That's alright. You did alright. Good job! Guys, magtanim na po tayo dito ng gourd. Got silver bait. And what do you got, Sylvester?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. We might plant over there. Gonna plant here silver bait. It's really good. Ooh.
Like,
There we go. Plant your broccoli.
not yet.
It's over down there behind.
Like that, like being near.
Yeah, over there. You can plant over there. I heard tomato, it's good companion with spring onions, mga herbs, and parsley. Kaya we will put them together. So how many tomato we got, Sylvester?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. That's right.
Do it.
You're good. Like that. Look. You see, I'm putting my hand there. And now I'm gonna put this one here. Push it in and make them straight. Wow.
Here first.
Yes. It's good to put the parsley there.
Is that one? I think I can push it in. But it knew it's wood when I push it in.
Mm-hmm. Good boy. Expert sa padanim. Here's our lettuce, Sylvester. Would you like to eat lettuce? Yes. We gotta wait when they grow. And then, don't you know chooks, they love lettuce? Would you like to give this one for the chooks when they grow?
No.
No? Is it for you only? We can share for the chook. Just a little bit if we have too much, you know that? It's alright to share because chooks is giving us lots of egg, okay? That's why it's okay to share. And finally, may mga tanim na po kami dito. Grabe yung pinaghirapan namin. Ayan, makita nyo na po guys. Wait na lang po tayo. And the next 1 month, i-update ko po kayo kung lalaki po ba itong mga tanim namin. Ito po, meron po ditong broccoli, tomatoes, and of course, Sylvester strawberry. Wow! Soon you're gonna have your own strawberry farm. I'm so proud of you. And dito po, we got lettuce and silver bait and another silver bait. So, marami pa po kaming itatanim. Hindi lang po ito. Alam niyo naman yung vegetable season. And that's all for today's video, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Bye!